Did you know that almost 70% of your immune system actually lives inside your gut? Shocking, right? Every bite of food you eat can either strengthen your digestive system or slowly weaken it without you realizing. Poor digestion can lead to bloating, constipation, stomach pain, and even long-term health problems that feel unrelated. But the good news is that you have the power to heal your gut naturally by choosing the right foods every day. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the top 5 foods for better digestion and gut health. These are everyday foods you can easily add to your meals for powerful results you'll start noticing soon. Stay with me until the very end, because food number 5 is often ignored, yet it could completely transform your gut health. Food number 1. Yogurt, the gut-friendly powerhouse. Yogurt is one of the most powerful foods for digestion because it's packed with live probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria. These probiotics work like tiny soldiers, restoring balance in your gut and helping you digest food more efficiently every day. When your gut bacteria are balanced, you feel lighter, have less bloating, and experience smoother and more regular bowel movements. Studies show that eating yogurt regularly can reduce constipation by nearly 40% and improve overall digestive comfort in seniors. But not all yogurts are created equal, so always look for labels that say live and active cultures for maximum benefits. Flavored yogurts may seem tasty, but they often contain added sugars that actually harm digestion and weaken gut health instead. The best way to enjoy yogurt is plain and unsweetened, paired with fruits like berries or bananas for natural sweetness. Have you noticed how your stomach feels calmer after eating yogurt? Comment below if you've experienced this amazing benefit yourself. But yogurt is just the beginning, because the next food works from the inside out to cleanse your entire digestive system. Food number 2. Ginger, the natural digestive healer. Ginger has been used for thousands of years as a natural remedy for digestive problems, nausea, and stomach discomfort. It contains compounds called gingerols and showgills, which speed up digestion and help food move more smoothly through your system. If you often feel heavy or bloated after meals, ginger can stimulate enzymes that break down food more efficiently for comfort. One fascinating study showed that ginger could reduce stomach emptying time by up to 50%, meaning less bloating and discomfort. A simple way to use ginger is by brewing fresh ginger tea, which soothes the stomach and relaxes the digestive tract. You can also add grated ginger to soups, stir-fries, or smoothies, making it an easy part of your daily diet. Beyond digestion, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce stomach irritation and protect against harmful bacteria in your gut. Imagine eating your favorite meals without that heavy, sluggish feeling afterward. Ginger could be the secret you've been missing. But if ginger helps your stomach feel lighter, the next food goes even further by cleansing your intestines from deep within. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button right now. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips designed especially for seniors who want to feel younger and healthier. And please comment below with your experiences. Have you tried any of these gut-friendly foods before, and did they help? Food number 3. Leafy Greens, the fiber-rich cleanser. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with fiber, which is essential for smooth digestion and gut health. Fiber acts like a natural broom, sweeping waste through your digestive tract and preventing constipation, bloating, and gut discomfort daily. Greens also contain specific compounds like sulfoquinavos, which actually feed the healthy bacteria in your gut for long-term balance. A diet rich in leafy greens has been shown to lower the risk of digestive diseases and even support a healthier immune system. The magnesium in these greens also relaxes the muscles of your digestive tract, allowing smoother movement of food and waste. Adding a handful of spinach to your omelet or blending kale into your smoothie can make a huge digestive difference. But here's something surprising. Even one extra serving of leafy greens daily can dramatically improve bowel regularity in older adults. Think about this. Are you really eating enough greens to support your digestion every single day? Share your answer in the comments. Because if greens keep things moving smoothly, the next food builds a shield inside your gut for lasting protection. Food number 4. Bananas, the gentle soother. Bananas are often called a stomach's best friend because they are easy to digest and incredibly gentle on your gut lining. They are rich in soluble fiber, especially pectin, which helps regulate bowel movements and supports overall digestive health effectively. Bananas act like a natural prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and strengthening your microbiome with each bite. For people who struggle with heartburn or acid reflux, bananas can act as a mild antacid to soothe discomfort naturally. They're also high in potassium, which restores electrolytes and prevents dehydration when digestion problems like diarrhea suddenly occur. What makes bananas special is how quickly they can calm your stomach, making them perfect after heavy meals or stomach upset. In fact, doctors often recommend bananas as part of the bread diet: bananas, rice, applesauce, toast, for digestive recovery. Think back. Have you ever noticed how your stomach feels calmer after eating a ripe banana when you're not feeling well? But while bananas soothe your stomach, the last food on our list actually rebuilds your gut health from the inside out. Food number 5. Fermented Foods, the gut rebuilders. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kefir are like supercharged fuel for your gut microbiome and digestive system. They are rich in probiotics, which restore healthy gut bacteria and help fight off harmful microbes that damage digestive health. One study even showed that people who ate fermented foods daily had much lower levels of gut inflammation and bloating. These foods also produce short-chain fatty acids during fermentation, which nourish your intestinal lining and strengthen your gut barrier. Unlike supplements, fermented foods give you a wide variety of probiotic strains, making them more powerful for digestive healing overall. Even a few spoonfuls of sauerkraut or a glass of kefir can significantly improve how your gut feels after meals. At first, you may feel strange adding these foods, but with regular use, you'll notice lighter digestion and stronger immunity too. So ask yourself, why wait for digestive problems to get worse when you can start rebuilding your gut health today with food? And speaking of rebuilding, stick around because I'll share a final summary that ties everything together beautifully. Summary. So let's quickly recap what we learned today. Yogurt restores your gut with live probiotics. Ginger speeds up digestion and relieves bloating. Leafy greens act like a natural cleanser for your intestines. Bananas soothe your stomach and regulate bowel movements. Fermented foods rebuild your gut with powerful probiotics and strengthen long-term digestive health. Imagine your life with less bloating, more energy, and a stronger immune system, all by simply choosing the right foods daily. Your gut is the foundation of your health, and protecting it today means living a longer, healthier, and more comfortable life tomorrow. Don't wait until small digestive problems grow into serious health issues. Start making these foods part of your meals today. And if you enjoyed this, don't miss our next video, where we reveal shocking everyday habits that secretly destroy your digestion. Trust me, you won't want to miss that one. It could change the way you look at food forever.